spread nicely.
Hello, how's your election day so far? Mine was pretty smooth actually. Mine just go in 10 minutes and come out. All the safe distancing measures were taken. A lot of volunteers in my area. I had a very smooth election day. I hope the results are actually okay for you guys. So as you can tell, my hair is actually very wet now because today I just want to try to do something with my hair. Just want to get it to hold and at the same time, you know, have an airy look, have a natural look to it. So previously I was just using some hair wax and then it just gets really difficult to wash away. I've been using like some hair oil and then just applying it to my hair and then dry it directly. But today I went downstairs and I actually got this thing from Gatsby. Some hair styling gel and wax thing for only like $8.20 at Venus. I'm not sure like how is it gonna hold up. So also it's the weekend, so I'm also taking this opportunity to hang out with my friends after a week of like shooting, editing, and actually I shifted my store this week. My landlord actually increased the rents for like 10% during this period, so me and my partners actually found another place to move into. So 2 days of this, it was crazy. It was also my birthday week, but I really didn't felt like it was my birthday. So it's the weekend. I finally get to hang out with some of my friends. Just probably gonna hang out at CityMusic. Probably gonna hang out and have fun. I haven't get to do that in a long time. Anyway, get ready with me. It's not that bad, right? I mean, I really hope that this is actually the look that I'm going for. As you can tell, you know, Asian people, they have like super boom, the hair like that. Usually I just try to flatten it down and I use a lot of wax, but this one is just like, it's water based actually, so it's like, but we'll test it because Singapore weather is not very forgiving. So what I'm actually afraid of is just like, this one will just go like downwards. Okay, cool. Boop. Camera, wallet, keys, bag. You gotta check in, yo. On my way to CityMusic now. That's George. Hey! Ni hao. Martins. All the Martins.
I love it.
You love it?
I also want to become YouTuber.
Give you a.
Give me?
Give you a.
Wait, for real?
No.
We're gonna show you guys our live stream setup. No, it's still under construction.
Hi, welcome to our concept store, CityMusic concept store.
So we wanted to do like you know, Joe Rogan experience. He does it with a guest at a table. There's like a long table with.
Wow! Look at this.
Welcome to the CityMusic live stream. So, these cameras.
Okay.
Then our mixer down here running the whole show. Then.
In your back pocket, like, $50.
Oh, writing love letter. Leave application. Oh yeah, you gotta take a break sometimes,
Temperature scan, man.
Mr. Pratas here. Okay, finally back home, and as you can tell, my hair is like what I expected. It actually went flat. So, but anyway, I had a good time with the guys. Talk about some stuff, and I actually got a little birthday present from Jingfu. I mean, thank you so much for the birthday present. I really wasn't expecting it. Wait, I gotta show you the present first. This is the present that I got from Jingfu. So it's actually the Zhiyun M2 gimbal that I can actually use it for my G7X. The night is still young. I'm gonna start editing this vlog and probably gonna start doing some proposal stuff. Some clients, replying some clients, and I will see you guys soon. Take care.